Everyone says you need skills. Without skills, you will not get success in life. There are so many skills. Don't focus on many skills, just focus on only one skill. Become master of that skill. You will achieve anything you want in your life. So, in this video, I want to share with you 40 graphics and design related skills. Choose any one skill among the 40 skills, learn that skill, and you can easily earn up to 1 crore in 1 year with the help of any of the skills. At the end, I will tell you how you can learn all the skills that I have mentioned. Logo design, thumbnail design, YouTube channel design, website design, app design, UX design, landing page design, resume design, NFT art, illustration, pattern design, fonts and typography, brochure design, poster design, flyer design, book design, album cover design, packaging and label design, storyboards, social media design, catalog design, menu design, invitation design, portraits and caricatures, cartoons and comics, tattoo design, web banners, design advice, car wraps, infographic design, icon design, email design, presentation design, jewelry design, fashion design, t-shirt and merchandise, industrial product design, building and engineering, architecture and interior design, image editing. These are the 40 graphics and design related skills. You can easily learn these skills within 1 month. There are many free courses available on YouTube for all the above skills. But if you really want to do it, then you can easily buy a course and they will teach you in little better way. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.